So the question says, if A is equal to 15 root 48 and B is equal to 6 root 150, then A over B is equal to what? Okay, well, before I do that, I want to simplify this out a little bit. A is 15 times root 48. Well, 48 is 16 times 3. And so I know that the square root of 16 is 4, so I can pull out a 4. And 4 times that 15 is going to be 60. So this becomes 60 root 3. So that's how I simplify that one. B is 6 times the square root of 150. Well, 150, if I divide that by 25, I'm going to get 6. So I know that 150 is 25 times 6, and 25 is a nice perfect square. So I can pull that out. The square root of 25 is 5, and then there's a 6 out front there, so that's going to be 30 root 6. So now, if I put A over B, that's going to be 60 root 3, there's my A, over 30 root 6. Okay, well, that 6 in the denominator is sort of like having a 3 times a 2 there, right? That is sort of like the square root of 3 times 2. So just like before, when I was multiplying, you multiply coefficients together, you multiply radicands together. Well, here, I can divide the coefficients. So 60 divided by 30 is going to be 2. But there's these root 3's here that are going to cancel. And what that does for me is that leaves me with a root 2 in the denominator. Of course, now that you've been through a good chunk of this chapter here, you know that you really need to rationalize that. So you need to multiply numerator denominator by that root 2. So in the numerator, I'm going to get 2 root 2. But in the denominator, when you multiply root 2 by root 2, that is going to actually just get you 2. Oh my gosh, the 2's cancel there, and all I'm left with here is the square root of 2. That's it. All of that other stuff, nope. It's just as simple as that, the square root of 2.